Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's actually Sunday morning. I'm filming this a little bit earlier. It's Monday morning. It's probably Monday morning now if you're seeing this. We'll be on our way to Cannes on Monday morning, so that's why I'm filming it a little bit early. At least my part of it. Winston will still be there in the office on Monday morning to do the news. Anyway, shooting off to Cannes a day early, so I'll be there on Monday to make sure everything, to make sure all of our magazines are distributed throughout the fair. Maybe to have a couple of glasses of wine as well. But this is really kind of ending the month, and even beginning December of retail. So good timing for that. For MAPIC, we've got huge fair coming on, a lot of magazines coming down. The team with me to distribute, and also we'll do some videos of. We'll talk to some of the developers, some of the retailers that are there, kind of get a little picture of the vibe coming up for 2022. Who's expanding, who's not. We'll try to keep focused on the ones that are expanding because that's the ones you guys care about. A lot of the service providers are down there. MK Illumination with Thomas Mark will be at one of his events. We'll do a little interview with him probably there if he's got a few minutes to jump on board. He's got the great kind of lighting, Christmas lighting, and I guess holiday lighting for most of those. Anyway, we're meeting up with a lot of retailers. If you're a retailer coming down or property owner with some opportunities for retailers, let me know. Shoot me a message. We'd definitely like to get together and talk to you. We've got our CEE Retail Awards coming up January 27th at the InterContinental Hotel in Warsaw. Big event, a lot of retailers. We've got our deal making during the day and conference. A lot of interesting retailers coming to that, and shopping center owners and retail owners meeting up and doing deals. Also, Julie Fitzsimmons from Lodestar is running that part of the event, so it'll be great to see her. Anyway, we'll see you down in on MAPIC as well. So anyway, shoot me a message if you're going to be down there. Even from Monday, I'll be down there early Monday. Maybe we can get together and before the event or before MAPIC even starts. And if not, well, if you've got any press conferences or events that you want us to cover, let me know. We'll definitely be happy to join them. Anyway, other than that, we'll do a couple seconds. You'll see a 20-second video of our retail awards. Then we'll shoot straight to Winston, which I know you're all waiting for the news for kicking off the week. So Winston will take it to you now in the morning and talk about the news on EuropaProperty.com, the highlights for the beginning of the week. So everyone else, enjoy the rest of the week and stay safe. And I hope you all had a good weekend, and we will see you down at MAPIC. Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th Annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards. With over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail, and they're ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal-making retailer presentations and the CEE Retail Forum. Then in the evening, our big retail awards gala, which starts at 7 and finishes late into the evening.
Good morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. And we'll start in Poland, where Focused Estate Fund has signed a loan agreement with BNP Paribas Bank Polska for 13.5 million euros. The funds will be used to increase the Polish portfolio of the fund and further improvements of their free properties in Poland. And according to BNP Paribas Bank, they say, despite the restrained position on the retail in general, our feedback on Focus Estates Fund's spotlight on the format of retail parks and convenience shopping centres is positive. Obviously, this category of retail is the least exposed to market fluctuations and risks associated with the pandemic. And just to close, Focus Real Estate said, a cooperation with the bank during the pandemic is a reliable testament to the sustainability and stability of our assets, which continue to demonstrate attractiveness to financial partners, investors, tenants, and consumers. They go on to say that they will be purchasing new properties in Poland in the near future. Moving to Hungary and Budapest, and Cushman & Wakefield has closed its largest ever transaction on the Budapest industrial market with Boxy Logistica, signing a lease for 62,000 square meters in VGP's Aerozone Park. Boxy Logistica provides physical space for smaller companies interested in e-commerce, such as e-shops which do not have their own warehouse. The warehouse is currently being built, which will provide fulfillment services and its own fleet of same-day deliveries to serve the entire logistics process of Hungarian online shops and e-retailers from the second half of 2022. Staying in the logistics industry and moving to Poland, and P3 has started the construction of the second part of a warehouse number 17 in the P3 Błania Park near Warsaw, with an area of over 21,000 square meters. It will be occupied by Homla, a brand offering home furnishing products. At the same time, the developer is finalising the construction of the first phase of the same building with an area of 17,600 square metres, soon to be occupied in one of the largest online shops which offer bathroom furnishings in Poland, which is 123 Łazienka. And according to P3, statistics show that in 2019, revenues in the home decor segment in Poland amounted to around USD 535 million. And the market value is expected to almost double by 2024. These increases are many times higher than elsewhere in Europe, proving that it's a very dynamically developing market segment, which is further supported by the development of e-commerce. The general contractor of the facility is Kazima, and it's scheduled for opening in Q1 2022. And finally for today, CTP Romania has appointed Serena Florescu as head of marketing as part of its management consolidation strategy. In her new role, she will oversee integrated marketing campaigns and initiatives that support CTP's growth projects. She has over 13 years of experience in the property industry. She has previously worked for CBRE Romania, Colliers, while also collaborating with developer CCIM. And those are the headlines for today. For more news, please log in to EuropaProperty.com. And we'll see you tomorrow.
Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th Annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards. With over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail, and they're ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal-making retailer presentations and the CEE Retail Forum. Then in the evening, our big Retail Awards Gala, which starts at 7 and finishes late into the evening. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.